Hello and welcome again to Androidia. Today's video will be about how to keep your viewers watching your videos. How to do that? Just keep watching, but before that don't forget to subscribe to my channel and a like for this video if you'd like the content. So go to your YouTube studio and make sure from the Gmail that you created your YouTube channel from, and from your YouTube studio like mine Androidia, go to content. From content you should select one of your videos that have a lot of views, a video that may sound is ranking like 1292. So this video has good views. For somehow it is more than 1001k views. So let's click on the thumbnail or on the video. Once you click that, go to analytics. After going into analytics, here you can know from key moment from audience retention that people are watching average view duration of 0.20. So people are watching my video till 20 seconds. 20 seconds. So this video is about 31 seconds, so people are watching 20 seconds of this video. So that may help me as a video creator or YouTube owner, I mean YouTube channel owner, or liking or watching my videos till 20 seconds. So based on that, for those who have niches on them channels, so they can get a clue or an idea for them videos and how to attack their audience, their viewers, by knowing the content or the value that people are wanting to know or liking to know from their channels. So let's see another video. I'm clicking back. This video like 3000 viewers. This video is having 3393 viewers. Let's click on the thumbnail and again analytics. So let's scroll down to, it has 3k viewers, and let's scroll down in average view duration 16 seconds, and it is about 90 seconds video. So sounds great. So that means that people are liking watching shorts like these shorts. So it has a good view and have view duration. You can find your own also by selecting your own videos that have much viewers, more than 30-40 viewers, and you can know which like key moments for audience retention. You can know how people are reacting with your videos by reaching here. And also you can know what people are searching for by by going to analytics. You can know your viewers, or not only your subscribers, your viewers what are searching for by going to research. And after going to research, let's go to your viewers searches. Then from here, my channel, the viewers are searching for cat, Rangoli, Rifamanhu, and a lot of Momo's recipe, Maggie recipe, how to make all this. You can find your own related searches by finding what people are searching on as my viewers, like how to delete an Instagram account. They're searching for that, and because of my channel is about tech and technology and something related to videos, YouTube videos and mobile phones, Android. So this topic will be awesome if I created video using this title. So don't forget again to like my video. Thanks for watching.